Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today's video, I will be planning the month of August using my passion planner. So let's get to it. I love my passion planner. I started using my passion planner to plan almost everything. Since this is the month of August, it means back to school. So I'm getting back into planning everything ahead of time using my schedule for this upcoming fall semester. The theme I'm using for this month is green because my school's colors are green and I'm very excited to return to school. For materials, I use my passion planner, a green highlighter, green colored pencils, and green markers. I really had to cut back on the amount of highlighting I did in my planner, mainly because my highlighters didn't appreciate it. In the monthly spread, I like to put something good that happened every day, or even put a big day or something I'm looking forward to. I love stickers. I don't care if I'm 19 years old. I love them. I use stickers each month to decorate the weekly spreads more in depth just to make it more unique and my own. The moment everyone's been waiting for. My fall semester schedule. Here it is. Going into the passion planner. It's official. So I color code my classes. So for example, my sociology class is yellow, which means I have yellow highlighters for the class, a yellow binder, and I use a yellow notebook for the class, and yellow post-it notes for assignments. Last month, I tried putting my habit tracker in my passion planner, and I seem to like it a lot better than when it was in my bullet journal. Some of the things that I like to put in my habit tracker is my mood for the day, whether or not if I worked out, and whether or not if I worked on a YouTube video. I like this in my passion planner mainly because I'm able to see how productive I've been for the day. In the personal to-do list, I like to plan my YouTube videos for the week and make a checklist when I'm finished editing or making a thumbnail. When school starts back up, I will put my assignments for the week in the work to-do list. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe down below. You should totally subscribe if you're into college, travel, lifestyle, or fashion videos because I make all of those on my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye bye!